Hey everyone! Today I've got something super exciting for you. We're diving into the world of science with 5 fun experiments you can try right at home. Ready to become a home scientist? Let's get started. Experiment number 1. The classic volcano eruption. All you need is baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, and some food coloring. Start by building a volcano shape with some clay or Play-Doh around a small bottle. Add a few drops of dish soap and food coloring to the bottle. Now pour in the baking soda and quickly follow it up with vinegar. Watch as your volcano erupts with colorful foam. It's a simple chemical reaction that never gets old. Next up, experiment number 2, the magic milk. For this you'll need a plate, some milk, food coloring, and dish soap. Pour a layer of milk onto the plate and add a few drops of different food colors. Then dip a cotton swab into dish soap and touch it to the milk. Watch the colors burst and swirl like magic. This awesome effect is due to the soap breaking down the fat molecules in the milk. On to experiment number 3, the homemade lava lamp. Grab a clear bottle, water, vegetable oil, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. Fill the bottle halfway with water and add a few drops of food coloring. Then, fill the rest of the bottle with vegetable oil and wait for it to separate. Now drop in an Alka-Seltzer tablet and watch as your lava lamp comes to life. The tablet releases gas bubbles, creating that cool, bubbling effect. Experiment number 4, the invisible ink. All you need is lemon juice, a cotton swab, and some paper. Dip the cotton swab into the lemon juice and write your secret message on the paper. Let it dry completely. To reveal your hidden message, hold the paper close to a heat source, like a light bulb or a hairdryer. The heat will cause the lemon juice to oxidize and turn brown, revealing your secret writing. It's a fun way to pass secret notes. Finally, experiment number 5, the egg in a bottle trick. Grab a hard-boiled egg, a glass bottle with a narrow neck, and some matches. Peel the egg and make sure it's small enough to sit on top of the bottle's neck. Light a match and drop it into the bottle, then quickly place the egg on top. Watch as the egg gets sucked into the bottle. The burning match heats the air inside, and when it goes out, the air cools and contracts, pulling the egg inside. Science is amazing, right? And there you have it. 5 fun and simple science experiments you can do at home. Make sure to have adult supervision, stay safe, and most importantly, have fun. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome experiments. See you next time.